The third test I conducted was to see the effect and importance that specific staple ingredients had on one another in baking, and what would happen if I substituted them with similar products that produce the same function it performs to create a finished result. I did not substitute any dry ingredients. I combined them all together and then divided them into 4 bowls so I can create an original recipe and conduct 3 tests. The first test is in the red ramekin and red cupcake paper. I changed both oil and eggs into yogurt and bananas. The second test is in the orange ramekin and the blue cupcake paper. I changed only the eggs into the bananas and kept the oil the same. The third test, in the yellow ramekin and the yellow cupcake paper, I changed the oil to yogurt. The fourth test is in the green ramekin and the green cupcake paper. This is the original recipe. While in the oven, each altered recipe still created CO2 bubbles that rose to the top. The first test cupcake was dense and sticky. The second test cupcake was not fluffy when you ate it. The third test cupcake was more fluffier than the first 2 but had a bizarre taste, and the fourth test had bigger bubbles when it was created, which had a perfect texture of a cake. What I learned from this fair test is that milk helps flour turn the gluten and forms bonds. Butter coats the gluten molecules so they can't combine easily. The oil binds all ingredients together. Eggs serve as a leaving agent and also acts as a binder. The sugar crystals cut into the solid fats like butter to help the structure by making small holes which are filled with CO2 when the leaving agents react. And salt strengthens gluten. Overall, each fat and eggs have an importance on the texture of the cake due to the coating of gluten and how thick the coating is cut when the sugar crystals react.